Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this brand new 2024 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge. Yeah, we got some British car in the house, and we have a new Cullinan Black Badge. This car is just amazing because it's a big car, it's completely black, but Rolls-Royce, however, managed it to let the car appear not bulky and too big. It's still understatement. I know many of you will say, why is that understatement as big? It is. Still, it's an elegant car, even though it's an oversized car. So, let's start with the front. We have diamond black paint, black metallic. I think it's one of the most chosen colors because it's a nice dark black. It's a metallic color, looks very nice in the sun, and it's not too difficult if there's any repainting. We have the front lights. Here is the daytime running light and the main headlights here. Very clean, dark. And I think the whole front, look at it from the middle, it's a clean front design. Because you just got the headlights and you have the grille and nothing more. So it's a very clean and bold design. Black badge. The black badge stands for the sport version of the cars. Most of the stuff on the car is black. We have a dark chromed Spirit of Ecstasy. We have the grille in also a dark. And we have the parts here also in the same color. The color has a lot of colors inside. It's black, yellow, brown, a lot of things. It's not the typical black, which makes it very interesting to see, especially in the sun. From the side, you can see we have clear windows here, no black tinted windows, because this particular car is an elegant car. We have a color scheme of black and white. This is also why we've chosen on the calipers, black calipers. So it is understatement. You have the black calipers, you have the black badge wheels, which are silver and black. This one is the rotating cap, so it'll stay as it is, as you can see. Even here, you can see the Rolls-Royce badge. Again, black badge package, black surrounded. Window frames are black. The side finishes are black. Clear windows, as I said. Looks very good, especially with the interior. And at the back, we also have everything in black. I mean, the name Black Badge says everything. But the exhaust pipe surroundings are in this special color. We have the protection here. We have the line over here, also in this special black. Now the rear is also very clean design. We just have the taillights surrounding. This is the reverse light, by the way, and the indicators inside, so it's surrounding it, even with the Rolls-Royce badge over here. Clean design, not a lot of stuff. Oh, see? Has to be tightened up. And yeah, let's take a quick look inside. 1 second. I'm gonna open the palace for you. Welcome, everybody, to the ultimate luxury. I mean, look at this. We have an interior color called Seashell, which is white and a little bit vanilla, I would say a little bit. We got here, by the way, embossed Spirit of Ecstasy. We have, of course, the bespoke audio hi-fi system with the nice speakers. Technical fiber, like carbon fiber looks. And you can see even here the rear seats are with memory and massage. We have here the VIP seats. And we get, of course, this beautiful Starlight headliner. And if you ever have the chance to touch the floor mats, do it, because they are amazingly soft. Carbon fiber tread plates, Cullinan Black Badge symbol with the infinity symbol, stands for Black Badge. You can see it also in the rear, where the fridge is behind. A lot of stuff. So I think we should sit inside and I can explain you a little bit more. So welcome inside the driving palace. What a view. Gorgeous. We have the doors in seashell. As I mentioned, we have a lot of chrome parts as well in the interior, which is perfectly fitting to the color scheme. Full electric front seats with memory and massage and heating. And of course, what we have for the doors, I have 2 switches here, and I can close the door if I switch. I'm sorry, the ignition was on. So we have a top stitch in white and seashell, combination with the black, very nice. We have here the infinity symbol again. We have the bespoke clock. We have here carbon fiber, technical fiber, I'm sorry, even for the full center console and the spokes of the steering wheel. The steering wheel is thick leather, and it's really classical. We have a lot of switches here. This is for the volume control, for example. We have here for the Distronic adaptive cruise control and the normal cruise control. We have, it's not analog, but it looks analog, but it's a virtual instrument cluster. As in every Rolls-Royce, you have a power reserve gauge because you don't have a rev counter. In a Rolls-Royce, it doesn't matter how many revs you're driving. It's just interesting how many power is left. We have everything on board. Blind spot assist, lane assist, Adaptive cruise control, night vision, we got everything. This is the main menu over here. I can steer it. We have Apple CarPlay, we have Android, we have apps, we have vehicle settings. So you see the Spirit of Ecstasy hopefully in the front. I can make her disappear. Bye-bye. And welcome again. Really nice feature. When you lock the car, it's programmed normally that it goes down, so anti-theft protection. And yeah, we have everything here as a shortcut button as well. We have climate control for 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Seats are heated, cooled, and we have a heated steering wheel as well. And we have some cup holders over here. We got some storage over here. Here we got parking sensors. We got the air suspension we can raise all over the car. This is the cameras. And here we got downhill control, off-road mode as well, if you want to go off-road with the car. And we got some storage over here, as you can see. Holder for your pocket or whatever, and a socket. And of course we have leather sun visors, as you can see. And the starlight you've already seen, it's now off, but we're gonna turn it on when we sit in the back. Oh, let me just turn it on. Look how I have to say, with a light headliner, it's even more impressive. So I can have it on full, or I can lower it down, as you can see. Oh, see, it was a starlight. So yeah, I think it's just beautiful to sit inside and enjoy. Massage is available, as I said before. Every comfort you can think of is in this car. And engine, yeah, I will show you later. It's a masterpiece. So we sat in the front, but this car is a driving car. However, the best space is to sit in the back. And this is where I'm gonna take you right now. So we are inside, and I don't want to close the door by my hand, so I just push a button. Ta-da! And now, look at the starlight again. How beautiful is it? Especially if it's light, it's just magnificent. Amazing. Okay, we keep on explaining. We got some buttons over here. What happens? I got a screen, and I have a table with technical fiber. And is it a touch? Oh, it's a touch. So I can go through the menu, vehicle, media. I could like watch something or whatever I like. Applications, it's apps most likely. Yeah, I can see everything through here, and if I don't need it, bye-bye. Perfectly fitting, as if it has never been there. Sound system is amazing. The bespoke audio sound system, if you ever have the chance also to listen to it, do it, because it's really, really good. We have the whole center console here in technical fiber. The seats are heated and ventilated, as you can see. We have a climate control even here in the back for 2 people. And here we got, there's a DVD changer. So I think that's for the screens if you want to watch something. And here we have also the steering for the screen. So like in the front, I can do it by touch, or I can do it here. As you can see here, we got the adjustment for the seat, full electric. We can nearly lay down, Rolls-Royce like. We have here, oh, look at what we have here. We have, if you want to drink something fine, and even here we get the Rolls-Royce symbol. If you want to drink something fine, that's the place to go. Or, even more behind, here, we have a fridge. It's off now, but there's a fridge. And if I open it, automatically, I have 2 small, like so-called champagne flutes, I would say. And then you can just open it and have a drink. Isn't it nice? Life can be so good. So, yeah, and we have, as you can see, these thick cushions, so you can lay your head on and rest. It's very, very nice. And I think this is the way to enjoy life in the back of a Rolls-Royce, enjoying the ride, the looks, and just the comfort. So, let's check out how much luggage we can put in the trunk. So, let's see. And also Rolls-Royce like, it opens 2-way. You can also sit on this one here. And yeah, it's a big trunk, I would say. There's a lot of space for luggage. Here we got some storage. And we got a first aid kit. We have the triangle over there. And there's the towing hook. So some storage at least. And of course there's a sticker. Don't put your dog in the back, because it is separated through a glass wall and there won't be oxygen. So don't leave anyone living or any animal living in the back. And both are closing at the same time. And what I was going to show you, because I just missed it, please come with me, my cameraman. Of course, Rolls-Royce like on both sides, you got an umbrella. Black is standard. You can have it in your color. There's like commission collection or very VIP special. They can cost up to over 5,000 euro per umbrella if you want something very special. So, engine. Wow, big sound because big bonnet. There's a big engine below. Whoppa! Ta-da! And I love this engine. 6.75 liter V12 with 2 turbochargers. Puts out nearly 600 horsepower. And I mean, look at that. It's just beautiful. It's all in black here. It's fitting very good. Very decent. A little gray in it. And the engine is just amazing because you don't hear it. If you sit in the car and the engine is running, you sometimes ask yourself, is the car on or not? And the power is amazing. You drive like a boat. Like, for example, if you push the pedal, the gas pedal, it goes like a boat. It's really amazing. So, Rolls-Royce stands not for sound, but anyway, we're going to listen to it. Yeah, but the best part was the interior, I think. But let's check it out.